We all know how disappointed we were because of the Unity fee. Everything started a couple of days ago and it didn't seem to have an end. Even more when they apologized for a confusion when there wasn't any confusion at all. They were losing everything completely. But today they have released an open letter talking about this topic. Will it be Unity's fee end? Let's start. So, firstly, all Unity accounts have received this email. We just shared an open letter on our vlog about the changes we are making to the Unity runtime fee pricing policy that we announced last week. Okay, so basically here we have all the changes, but actually let's go to the letter because it's like more detailed. And here it says, I'm Mark Withen and I lead Unity Create, which includes the Unity engine and editor teams. I want to start with this, I'm sorry. Well, basically here he says that they should have spoken with us more often, blah blah blah, that we make Unity great, blah blah blah. But I believe the important thing is right here. Our Unity personal plan will remain free and there will be no runtime fee for games built on Unity personal. We will be increasing the cap, and also very important, we will remove the requirement to use the Made with Unity splash screen. Do you remember that very annoying splash screen in every game saying Made with Unity and that kind of stuff? Well, that splash screen is now completely deleted. Also, there are some changes in Unity Pro and Unity Enterprise. Firstly, the runtime fee policy will only apply beginning with the next LTS version of Unity shipping in 2024. This means that developers have like 3-4 months until this new policy is applied. As you can see, we can start noticing the differences because last time they changed it suddenly, the policy, and well, now they are telling you that it's gonna be applying in 2024, but just for those with Unity Pro and Unity Enterprise. Here also, for games that are subject to the runtime fee, we're giving you a choice of either a 2.5 revenue share or the calculated amount based on the number of new people engaging with your game each month. Okay, so basically this means that firstly, the ones that we are using Unity personal, firstly they are gonna be increasing the cap from like they are gonna double the cap, pretty amazing, and also they will remove the requirement to use the Made with Unity splash screen, pretty good changes. And of course there will be no runtime fee. That's, as I told you, amazing news. Then when it comes to Unity Pro and Unity Enterprise, this will change in 2024. And well, they are talking here about a 2.5 revenue share. Okay, I also really like this new section in the website they have created, which is a runtime fee estimator. And as you can see here, use this tool to determine whether the Unity runtime fee will apply to your game and estimate any future monthly costs. So here, firstly, you have to select your subscription plan, either personal, pro or enterprise. And here, of course, we have to answer some questions. Okay, so here basically we select the ones that are correct to our current situation, and depending of the things that we say yes or no, as you can see, this pop-up here will change. As you can see, if your game isn't created in the 2023 latest release or later and you aren't earning that much money, runtime fee does not apply. But well, for example, if you exceed this amount, you need to upgrade to Unity Pro per the terms of your subscription. Okay, and again, if we say yes to both, we have to update to Unity Pro. So here in Unity Pro we have some other questions. Okay, so firstly here we have that if your game exceeds $1 million gross revenue trailing 12 months, we can select again. As you can see, if we don't, runtime fee aren't applied. Very nice. And well, but if we here select yes, as you can see, we have to give here some other analytics, and as you can see, if we change these values, also the fee and the amount to pay will also change. Okay, finally we have the Unity Enterprise, which as you can see is a little bit similar. And well, again here you can calculate how much money you will have to pay. Also, if we click here learn more, we can see, as you can see, the changes to Unity plans and pricing. And as you can see again, we announced a Unity runtime fee on September 12th and updates the policy on September 22. This page reflects the most updated policy. Okay, and well, we have here the button to estimate our runtime fees. And well, here again it tells us if you are on the Unity Personal or Plus plans, the runtime fee does not apply. And this fee will only apply to Unity Pro and Enterprise. And well, here we have a summary of the key updates. Firstly, as I was telling you, Unity Personal no runtime fee and splash screen optional. Finally, we have some frequently asked questions that you can also check. Okay, now that we know all this stuff about the license, do you still trust Unity? Will you continue using it? Personally, I believe they are so worldwide used that they can't have the privilege of making this class of errors, as they always reach a very massive audience. I also think the final solution they have found is good enough in order to recover the trust and users who thought of changing the engine. However, this problem or mark is always gonna stick with them forever, and there will be some developers who may not trust Unity at all. Anyway, what do you think about this topic? I'll be reading you in the comments down below. Remember to subscribe to the channel, because if there is some new information, I'll upload it as fast as possible. See you in the next one, and bye bye.